am myself Neetu Kumari. I am your science teacher and I am going to the chapter of class 8, that is the unit of first. This chapter name is food. First of all, we know about what is food. Food is the essential part of our life and it is also needed for growth or do work. So let's see what is food. Food, anything that you eat which give us energy to do work or our growth is called food. And one thing is our mind. Where is we found food? Found is also found by the crops. So let's see what is crop. Crop, we found our food from crops. Crops are also growing by the agriculture and agriculture is the essential part of crop. Crop, let's see what is agriculture. Agriculture, this is the process by which the growing of plants that is useful for human and animals. All living things need food and food is also found from agriculture. Let's see how many types of agriculture. There are two types of crop found in agriculture. First is Rabi crop and second is Kharif crop. The Rabi crop is mostly cultivated in the season of October to March or April. In the Rabi crop, wheat, cropping, wheat, peas, etc. And the Kharif crop, the season of Kharif crop is June to October. In this season, in this crop form, we growing rice, maize, gram, etc. So we are going to see the two types of crop are found in agriculture, Rabi or Kharif. Let's see. This is the one thing is also found in agriculture, that is horticulture. What is horticulture? Horticulture is the process by which the growing of plant in large scale. This is the process by which growing a crop in large scale, like rose, potato, mushroom, etc. This is the horticulture. And now see the production of crop. The one thing is very important in agriculture, the production of crop. What is the essential part of production of crop? Let's see what are the essential parts of production of crop. First, the production of crop is involved in soil preparation. If the soil is not perfect to crop, the crop will be destroyed. The second thing is selection of seeds. Selection of seeds is a very important. If the seeds will dull, the seeds can destroy in soil and we can't grow any type of crop. So seed is a very important. Irrigation, weeding and crop protection. These are also an important part of agriculture. Harvesting, ploughing, leveling and manuring. This is the also essential part of agriculture. This production of crops are very important because these things are important. Without these things we can't grow any type of crop. Let's see another thing in agriculture. The most important part in agriculture, the fertilizers. Fertilizers is very important. There are two types of fertilizers are found. First, organic fertilizer and second is inorganic fertilizer. Inorganic fertilizer, chemical fertilizers are involved, and organic fertilizers, not a chemical fertilizer, it is the compost which is we are made in our house or large scales of our fields. Let's see the another part of agriculture, that is animal production. This is the also the part of agriculture. In this another form of cultivation, we are growing up animal production, just like pisciculture. Pisciculture, the production of fishes in large scale. Second is apiculture, for found type large quantity of honey. And third is poultry. Poultry farm, we are also take a poultry farm to growing a large scale of hen for meat or egg and another things. So they are the another part of our agriculture or cultivation. We are seeing seven different type of agricultural parts and essential parts of this cultivation. So now we see the one thing, a very important, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is the source of protein which is found in our atmosphere or agricultural forms. That in this cycle, the three thing is very important. First is nitrogen fixation, second is nitrification, and third is denitrification. So some questions are arises from this agricultural part, and you have to do this your at home. First is what is food. Second is what is agriculture. Third is type of crop with example. Fourth is what is horticulture. Fifth is write about nitrogen cycle. These 5 most important questions in this chapter, and you have to do this in at your home. So, and if you have any problem, just write your message in our comment box. Thank you.